Hey friends, this is Missy here. I'm going to give you an example on how your final presentation should look like. Okay, so you're just going to log on here. You're going to choose the historical figure that you want to be. For example, today I'm going to be Miss Harriet Tubman. I'm going to give a brief biography about who I was. So, Harriet Tubman. I was born in 1820 in Dorchester County, Maryland. I died March 10th, 1913 in Auburn, New Mexico. I am best known as a leader in the Underground Railroad. I was born a slave on a plantation in Maryland. People think I was born in 1820, but I was possibly born in 1821. When I was born, birth records were not kept for slaves, so we are not sure when I was born. My life as a slave was very difficult. I lived in a one-room cabin with my family that included 11 children. When I was 6 years old, I was loaned out to another family member to take care of another baby. I was sometimes beaten and got to eat scraps of other people's food. Um, I took part in the Underground Railroad. This was when slaves would try to escape north. I would help them, lead them to safety. My nickname was Moses during this time, so my name changed. I escaped in 1849, and I used the Underground Railroad. I made this trip by myself to Pennsylvania, and that's when I was finally free. So this is a brief introduction of how you will do your final, guys. Can't wait to see everyone's work. Bye!